In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Evernote in just a few simple steps. If you use Evernote to organize your tasks, track errands, or build daily to-do lists, this feature is one of the fastest ways to stay organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add checklist items, tick them off as you go, and keep everything in one clean note. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you can either open an existing note or click New Note if you want to start fresh. If you already have a note for work, shopping, planning, or school, that's a great place to add your checklist. If not, creating a new note gives you a blank space to work with. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the checklist to appear. This is important because Evernote will insert the checklist right where your cursor is blinking. If you want the checklist near the top of the note, click there first. If you want it under a heading or below some text, make sure your cursor is in the correct spot before you continue. Next, type /checklist. As soon as you type checklist, Evernote will show a menu of block options. From that menu, select checklist. This tells Evernote that you want checkbox items instead of regular text. It only takes a second, but it changes the way your note is structured and makes it much easier to track tasks. After that, type your first checklist item. For example, you might write something like buy groceries, finish report, call client, or pack for trip. Once you type your first task, press Enter to create another checkbox automatically. This is one of the best parts of the feature because you do not need to manually insert each checkbox one by one. Evernote keeps generating new checklist items as you continue. Now keep adding the rest of your items. You can make the list as short or as long as you want. For example, you might use it for a daily routine, a project plan, a shopping list, or a travel checklist. If you want to stay even more organized, you can group related tasks together inside the same note. That way, everything is in one place and easy to review later. As you work through your list, you can click any checkbox to mark that task as completed. The item will be checked off visually, so you can quickly see what is done and what still needs attention. This is especially useful when you are managing multiple errands or steps in a process, because you do not have to guess what's finished. And that is how to create a checklist in Evernote. It's fast, simple, and a great way to keep your notes actionable instead of just informational. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Evernote tips and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.